Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're looking to elevate your hair game with premium bundles, you're in the right place today. In this review, we're diving into the mlip Raw Bundles Human Hair Body Wave, a product that claims to keep your hair silky soft after multiple washes and offers no tangling or shedding. Let's explore the details together. The mlip Raw Bundles Human Hair Body Wave are made from 100% raw Indian temple hair, cut directly from a young girl. The raw, unprocessed nature of this hair gives it a natural texture that many beauty enthusiasts rave about. Each bundle weighs 100 grams and includes a 16, 18, and 20-inch length. This premium hair claims to stay silky soft even after over 80 washes. It's also double wefted, meaning it's designed for durability and minimal shedding, with all cuticles facing the same direction to prevent tangling. Plus, it's said to be free from any harsh chemicals, ensuring no strange smells, just pure, clean hair. Now let's get into my real-world experience with this product. Upon receiving the bundles, I was immediately impressed with how soft they felt right out of the package. Setting up was straightforward, as you would expect from any quality human hair. Just install and style as desired. I tested the hair with a few different styles. I straightened it, curled it, and wore it in its natural, wavy texture. It handled heat styling beautifully without any issues, which speaks to the quality of the raw hair. The body wave texture remained intact and soft throughout, even after a few washes. However, I did notice some shedding when I brushed through it post-wash, but it wasn't excessive. Just something to keep in mind if you're looking for a bundle with absolutely no shedding. Let's break down the pros and cons of this product. Starting with the strengths, the most notable one is the hair's texture. It stays silky soft after multiple washes, which is something not every hair bundle can boast. The double weft construction is solid, minimizing tangling and shedding to a reasonable degree. The fact that it's free of strange smells and chemicals is also a huge plus for anyone with sensitive skin or allergies. On the flip side, one downside is the minor shedding I mentioned earlier. While it wasn't anything alarming, it's something to be aware of, especially for long-term use. As for value for money, the price point of these bundles is reasonable for the quality of raw Indian hair. Given that this is a long-lasting investment, potentially lasting up to 3 years with proper maintenance, the price feels fair for the durability and performance. If you're someone who wears hair extensions frequently or is looking for a high-quality option, the mlip Raw Bundles could be worth the splurge. When comparing this product to others on the market, there are some standout features. While there are many good quality raw hair bundles available, mlip offers a unique selling point with its emphasis on no tangling, minimal shedding, and its longevity. Many similar products may not stand up to as many washes or offer the same consistent texture. However, you could find bundles that are cheaper, but they may not provide the same long-term reliability or silky softness. In terms of build quality and longevity, the raw Indian hair used in these bundles feels premium. The fact that it's sterilized at high temperatures and thoroughly cleaned means that you won't have to deal with any unpleasant surprises, like strange smells or irritating residues. As for the longevity, everything points toward this hair lasting several years with proper care. Always a plus for long-term value. I didn't have any direct interactions with mlip's customer support, but based on the reputation of similar brands in this space, I would expect responsive and helpful service, especially considering the quality of their product. Now let's talk about some alternatives. If you're looking for a more affordable option, there are other raw hair bundles on the market, but they may not offer the same level of softness or longevity. If budget is a concern, you could consider brands offering more synthetic options, though they won't have the same natural look and feel as these raw Indian hair bundles. To wrap up this review, the mlip Raw Bundles Human Hair Body Wave definitely delivers on its promises of softness, durability, and no strange smells. It's a solid choice for those who want long-lasting, high-quality human hair that performs well with heat styling. While there's some shedding, it's not a deal-breaker, and the overall value and quality make this a worthwhile option for those serious about their hair game. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that others looking for quality hair extensions can find this video. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you've tried this hair, drop a comment below. Thank you for tuning into Beautyistic. The link to grab your own mlip raw bundles is in the comments. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences. Until next time, take care of your hair and keep it beautyistic.